Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my fluffy dry perm rod set. This style is one of my favorite natural hairstyles, so let's get started. I'm first going to begin on stretch dry hair, and I'm going to first section off a small to medium section of hair. And the first product that I'm going to go in with is my Mielle twisting souffle. One thing I love about this product is how amazing it smells, y'all. Like, it smells so good. The pomegranate and honey line is by far my favorite, but I also love how moisturizing this stuff is. Like, it's very creamy, but it doesn't weigh down my hair, which is super important with this style because you want to have bouncy, fluffy curls. Next, I'm going to take my Cream of Nature foam mousse, which I really like because it holds these curls really well without feeling crunchy. And then I'm going to take a little Equal Styler gel and I'm going to apply that to my ends. Before I roll my perm rod, I make sure to stretch my hair and make it as smooth as possible to prevent any frizziness. And then I'm going to start at the bottom of my hair section. And I'm going to begin to wrap my ends around the perm rod. I'm going to wrap it around a few times to secure it. Once I secure my ends, I'm going to begin by rolling the perm rod up the section of hair. When I get towards the top, I do like the twist and roll method. I can't really describe what it is that I'm doing, but I am zooming in for you guys to see a little bit better. And then I'm going to secure the rod closest to my scalp. You want to make sure that you clip your perm rod on the side closest to your scalp so that the perm rod isn't loose and hanging and it's as secure as possible. So I'm going to show you guys a few more times just so you guys can get the hang of it. The reason I like to go in with Equal Styler gel is because it prevents my ends from being frizzy. Once again, just pay close attention to your ends and make sure that you secure it around the perm rod, and then you're going to just roll up the perm rod, and then towards the top you're just going to do a twist and roll method and then clip it closest to your scalp. Once I finished my last perm rod, I got ready for bed and I just wrapped my hair and let it air dry. And then in the morning, I sat under the dryer for about an hour because I had somewhere to go and I wanted to make sure that my hair was completely dry. And now I'm gonna just begin the takedown process. So I'm gonna remove the perm rods and then I'm gonna take a little bit of jojoba oil and begin to separate my curls. I like to separate my curls a lot because I like that volume. I wish I would have took my time with separating these curls a little bit more, but like I said, I did have somewhere to go, so I was kind of in a rush. I was actually hella late, y'all. Once I finish separating those curls, I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and I'm going to begin fluffing my roots. I really need to invest in a pick because I know that it's going to make that process that much easier, and it's just, yeah, I'm going to get it one day, y'all. I'm going to go to the store and get it one day. I just always forget every time I go to the beauty supply. Anyways, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.